ant spirit animal. Cooperate for the highest good of the community. The message of the ant card is to devote yourself to making your home welcoming and harmonious, while at the same time acting to bring your community together. You can take small steps like picking up litter or smiling at your neighbors, or aim higher and actively offer yourself in service. Ants are good examples of working together in a community. Together, they are able to find or create new pathways for the ants to gather food for their community. Usually, when you observe the ants, they create lines, and each ant follows that line that's invisible map, and every ant will find their way to the food and find their way back to their nest. So somehow there is this cooperation among them, and there is this quiet or less visible communication among them. We can learn from the ant the art of working together with other people. In fact, if we can develop the facility of the ants to work with each other as a community, then we could also sooner or later develop that ability of being able to work together even when we do not communicate verbally. This kind of ability develops only when you are already working with some people for quite some time. So this is an invitation for us to go down from our ivory towers and to spend more time with our community. If you receive a lot of graces from the divine and from the universe, it is but normal for us to share whatever we receive. And when you share what graces you receive from the divine and from the universe, the more graces and gifts you will receive from them. When they know that what they give to you benefits also those who are around you, then more gifts will be given through you, knowing that whatever is given to you will not remain just in you, but will also be shared for the rest. It is also very important to be constantly in touch with the source so that we will not run out of energy and gifts that we can share with others. There is an importance of having this kind of balance also, that as we give, we also have to be constantly replenished inwardly. So the invitation is, yes, we have to increase more our communal participation, and at the same time not to lose this inner communication with the divine and with the universe. We need to create a certain balance where at the same time we share the gifts we receive, at the same time also we constantly allow ourselves to be replenished by the divine and by the universe. Well, that's it for now. Until next time.